guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at a traffic source or an advertising source called My Legion Secret. Now, on a Monday, usually I talk about this, but today I wanted to make it a little bit different. And I wanted to give you an added honest review of this traffic or advertising source. The reason being is that there's a lot of people out there that have different opinions about it. I just wanted to add my own and share with you. I've been documenting my journey with My Legion Secrets since 2023. But I want to talk to you guys specifically whether it makes sense, what you can actually do with such a traffic source or advertising source. It is one of the key elements to affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in watching this video, then definitely stick till the very end, because I am going to give you also my entire course that I have been using, I've created based on this advertising source. So let's see whether it makes sense for you or not. But in the end, just enjoy the video that you're going to watch. So let's hop onto my computer and share with you some more. All right, guys, here I am on my screen. And if you're watching this video for the first time, then I want to welcome you to the channel. My name is David Pinto. As I said before, they also call me Tips with Dave. And I created this channel first and foremost to document my entire journey on affiliate marketing. I do have a full-time job, guys. I do this as a side hustle, as something on the as extra income coming in from me. And it just is something I'm a little bit passionate about and growing as we have been growing this channel also together. So I hope you guys get value from this, but more than anything else, I want to share with you about My Legion Secrets, and I want to really give you an honest truth about this traffic source, this advertising source, what it is and how it can help you, or if it can help you. Remember, anything that you do see in this video, these results are not typical. These are my results, and no one ever on the internet or anywhere else for that matter can guarantee you results. The reason being is because there is skill involved, there is marketing involved, and please do not say things on the internet that's not compliant with as it is, okay? Which means that there is a potential, obviously, if you're using any advertising source, whether it's Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, My Legion Secrets, solo ads, whatever it is, advertising is a key element of affiliate marketing or any kind of marketing for that matter. If you are owning a business, if you have a business model to work with, okay? Even if you have your own digital products or services, advertising is important. But the conversion of that advertising, don't get into all these hypey things of just, people promising you the world and making sure that it's going to be easy for you and so on and so forth. There is work involved. I'm just going to say it as it is, guys. There is work involved. There is effort involved. You have to give yourself time. You have to collect data. And then based on those conversions, you can systematically grow your online business. So with this in mind, with this mindset in mind, that's one of the reasons why I personally got started with My Legion Secret. Now, let's go ahead and share with you guys what exactly My Legion Secret is. So it is a product, first and foremost, that gives you 100 to 200 leads every single day. Now, this means email addresses, names, etc., that have been vetted first and foremost, and that are also saying it's okay to share with you these leads. So there are a few partners that give you these 100 to 200 leads every day, and we use My Legion Secrets as the service to be able to email those leads on a daily basis. So that's what they're guaranteeing you, those 100 leads. That's what you're paying for when you do pay for the product. They are not guaranteeing you any sales. They are not guaranteeing you any money. They're not guaranteeing you that these leads will convert, because no one can guarantee you that. It is based on our skill sets. And if you are not a marketer, learning to market the right way, in this scenario, it's going to be email marketing that's going to help you, right? Because we are sending out an email every single 24 hours with this. So as the leads come in, so say in the first 24 hours, you get your 100 leads, you can send out an email to those 100 leads. The next 24 hours, you get another 100 leads. Now you're sending out to 200 people. And this goes and grows over time. But the conversion of those leads is based on your email marketing skills and nothing else. I'm saying this very clearly because yes, they do convert. And I'm going to show you guys that they do convert. But the skill set of the conversion is focused on email marketing. Okay, so one of the reasons why I personally like My Legion Secret is the fact that One, they're solving the problem for me of going out and generating 100 leads every day. Because if I have to create content, if I have to, make SEO blogs and so on and so forth, to just basically build page that generates these 100 leads every day, it is gonna take me time. It's gonna take me effort, and so I'm saving my time by buying these leads through the partners itself. Okay, so that is something that I just wanted to mention. Based on that, the quality of the leads is really dependent on how the partners are doing the advertising. They are co-registration leads. If you want to know what co-registration leads is, basically when people opt into a email list and they are agreeing to be shared, the same leads that are opting in that email list are saying it's okay for me to receive emails from somebody else. That way you are able to email them. Now, that being said, obviously understanding that they are co-registration leads, I know that they're cold traffic and I need to build a relationship with these leads. It is a one-way street, guys. It's not like I'm receiving if I send out an email, I'm receiving a reply from it. No, it's just a promotional email that I'm sending. So it's one directional. However, I try not to make my emails promotional and try to build a relationship with these leads by, just being authentic, being myself, speaking in the same way that I speak to you guys in this video, because that way I can get the people who do relate to me to then convert into a sale. That's personally how I do it. Now, I have more about this strategy. I speak more about it in my Affiliate Marketing Essentials course, which basically talks about the two essential skill sets, which is advertising and copywriting. And this acts the second reason why I personally like My Legion Secret, is because I can practice my email marketing with this program and make sure that there's conversions. And if there's conversions with My Legion Secrets or cold traffic, when I take those elements and take those skills that I'm using on a daily basis to write an email here, I can now build my email list and make my email list more converting, because I have a playground to test what works and doesn't work without being worried about anything, right? So that's how I look at it. I look at it as long term, guys. I've already had it for over a year. It costs you, let me just get over the cost so that you guys see it. It costs you $60 the first month to get started, and then $30 every single month after that to maintain these 100 leads that you're getting every single day. Now, if you do refer one other person to My Legion Secrets, first and foremost, you're getting a $5 commission on that. But at the same time, you also get bonus leads, which is another 100 leads that they will give you every day, which is why I say you get 100 to 200 leads every single day. I personally get 200 leads every single day because I have referred a few people to My Legion Secrets, and now it's basically paying for itself. So I've been using it since 2023. I have, they are code registration leads. There's a lot of controversy out there in terms of, do I like core registration leads? Do I not like core registration leads? This is the way I look at it, guys. And I want you to really ask yourselves these questions. I'm gonna weigh the odds between different advertising methods. Let's say you have a billboard and you are, spending money for that billboard, right? You're spending a lot of money to get yourself out there through that billboard. It's not guaranteeing you any leads, but you have to have a strategic element. It has to be strategically placed and so on and so forth. But that's just money and expenditure for advertising. That's how I look at it. Okay, so if you are, instead of spending your money, you're spending your time for advertising, doesn't mean that it's going to convert or not for you. That is based on your skill set. Just like you have a marketing team that does the marketing for that billboard because they know, okay, this is going to convert well because I have past data. If you don't have past data, you have to be able to try and test and tweak. So it's the same thing when you're getting started with Facebook ads. You're buying real estate on Facebook, but over time, you will understand whether it converts or not and what converts for you. And it's going to be different for each and every one of us. It's just how it is. Okay. It's nothing to be worried about. It's nothing to be shameful about or anything like that. It is what it is. Okay. So with co-registration leads, the reason why I personally like it, because I feel that they are a little bit more responsive than pure cold traffic like traffic exchanges. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I personally like My Legion Secret. So they're co-registration leads. But if I go, for example, on traffic exchanges or Facebook ads or whatever it is, I first and foremost, for like Facebook ads, Google ads, any kind of thing like that, YouTube ads, the cost for these leads that I'm getting and cost for the advertising that I'm putting in is much higher. First and foremost, here the cost is much less. Secondly, if I go the free route, when I go the, let's say, cold traffic route of using traffic exchanges or something like that, then I need to definitely put in more time. The elements of advertising is different even in these scenarios. People see different. Basically, when you use a traffic exchange, everyone is there mainly to click on those ads. It doesn't mean that you're going to get a sale or not. However, if you do get a sale from that, it's pretty much a high quality sale because you know now, okay, I need to do more of these ads, these convert, I'm going to help the person in this way. So there's a whole logic behind it, right? So as I said, you understand your co-registration leads, which is basically email leads in this case. So I need to be improving my email marketing. That's my focus. The conversion of that is maybe for you or not. The same thing is some people like safe lists, some people like traffic exchanges, some people like Facebook ads, some people like Google ads, some people like Bing ads, some people like solo ads. You have so many, some people like organic traffic. There's so many advertising methods out there. You have to see what fits best for you. Personally, for myself, because I do have a day job, the reason why I got started with My Legion Secrets, first and foremost, it's been there for a long time. Secondly, I know that it's a software that does give me the opportunity to email my leads, and it gives me a place to practice my email marketing. And I tested it out for a year before I started really sharing what I'm doing behind of how I'm writing my emails, how I'm focusing on building a relationship. I've learned to understand the leads that I'm getting, right? So that does take time in the process. It's really up to you. Now, just to give you guys an idea with everything, now you can feel free to get started or not get started. If you want to get started with me, my link is in the description of this video. If you don't, that's absolutely fine. Just take this as an educational video, take this as a journey that you're looking at, okay? But I'm just going to go to my transactions, and I'm going to literally go to my all-time transactions. So you see, this is Warrior Plus. It's a network that I use to generate sales from My Legion Secrets. So I send people directly here. Okay, and I'm going to put the tracking code MLGS because that's the one I personally use for most of my tracking codes. That is there in everything, right? So I want to show you guys that over using this strategy and using this traffic itself, again, please don't take these results as typical. It doesn't mean that you're going to get these results. I cannot guarantee you these results at all. This is just a representation of what's working for me because I'm putting the work and the effort and the skill set behind it to get these conversions. So I've almost made $4,000 worth in sales just by using this one advertising source. So I would not be able to make that if I was not using it. And that's, I said, I started in 2023. So you can see that you can do the math yourself, how much it is. Okay. So if I just put, I think it's about 13 months that I'm using this. So if I just divide this by 13, you'll see the average month is around 293, so around $300 per month is what I'm getting just from using this one traffic source itself. Okay, this is just to show you that it does convert. It's really up to you whether it makes sense or not. The thing that I use, or the way I look at it, is okay, My Legion Secrets cost $60. I know that they're advertising My Legion Secrets to these leads as well. So the conversion for My Legion Secret, because it's a software and they're sharing it with people, right? Because it's a software, I use a threshold of $60 as the low ticket. So it's not something that's going to make you rich. It's not, but please do not get it in anything that's going to guarantee you riches, guys. But it can be used as a catalyst. And that's personally how I'm using it, as a catalyst to start to generate more and more sales every single day. So if that's something that's interesting for you, go ahead and check out My Legion Secrets. I have an entire playlist in the description of this video, guys, that explains everything with My Legion Secrets. It gives you training. It shows you my monthly results, everything that's there. And additionally, if you want some more guided approach on it, then I have my course, which is Affiliate Marketing Essentials, in the description of this video as well. You can feel free to check that out, and you'll get access to my Facebook group within the course itself, so I can help you further on in that matter. But other than that, guys, on a Monday I talk about My Legion Secrets. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. On Wednesday, I talk about different tools and other things. And also on a Friday, I post videos. So you get 3 videos every single week. That's the advantage of having this free content, having this channel. I'm going to continuously do this as long as I need to, and I will continuously grow this channel as much as I need to. I'm here to help. So if you ask questions, I will definitely answer them and create other videos based on it as well. So that's it from me. Share your feedback, share your comments, hit that subscribe. I'm going to see you guys on Wednesday for another video. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.